Assalamu alaikum. This is the summary video for today lesson. Subject Math Learner Book, Class 3, Unit 2B, Lesson Calculation with Money. From Learner Book, page number 74 75, and your homework for today, remaining question from these two pages. So let's start. How many cents did Charlie put in each bag? There are different information for different product like flour in a pot, $2, $2.50, bag of sweet, 20 cent, a tin of beans, 30 cent. Like this, different item with their prices. So using this information, we solve the question. Okay, you spent exactly $5. What did you buy for $5? What did we buy? There is no exactly $5 any item, so we buy maybe two things. Okay, maybe more than two things, maybe one. Okay, like we buy flour in a pot, 2.50. This is for one piece price. If we buy two, so 2.50 plus 2.50, it's equal to 5. So we buy two pieces of flour in a pot. You give the shopkeeper $1 and get 20-cent change. It's mean $1 equal to what? $1 equal to 100 cent. 100 cent. $1 equal to 100. You give shopkeeper $1 and get back 20 cent. From 100, 20 cent. It's mean 80 cent. You buy something for 80 cent. So what did you buy? What did you buy for 80 cent? So we buy a newspaper. The price for newspaper 80 cent. You buy two bunches of flour. One bunch of flour 20 cent. So two bunches of flour. It's been 40 cent. What change do you get from $5? So 5 minus 4. Sorry, a bunch of flour $2. Two bunches of flour, 2 multiply 2, or you can say 2 plus 2. You're buying two bunches of flour. So 4. 5 minus 4 equal $1 remaining. Question number 4. You buy a loaf of bread and a tin of beans. How much did you spend? You can check the both price and then pluses. We just plus it. Okay. So the answer is 1.50. The answer is 1.50. $1.50. If we plus the price for the cost for loaf of bread and a tin of beans, how much change do you have from $5? Finish. It's easy. 5 minus 1.50. $5 minus 1.50 minus 1.50. 1.50. So just minus it. You get the answer. Should we minus carefully? Should be up bigger number. Up small number, you cannot minus it. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 not possible. Take 1 from here. If you take 1 from here, this 0 change into 10. And here what remaining? Because this one 5, it's changed into 4 because I give 1 to the next number. So now this 10 minus 5 possible. 5. 10 minus 5, 5. And now here not 5, here 4. 4 minus 1 equal 3. So 3.50. $3.50. So we write here change, or we get back $3.50. You have $10. You buy two bunches of flour and a pair of gloves. How many bags of sweets can you buy so that you spend all of the money? Easy. 10 minus 2 multiply 2. Why? Because the bunch of flour $2. So 2 multiply 2, 4. And pair of gloves 5.60. So from 10, we need to minus these two. These two. Why? We buy two items, two bunches of flour, one item this, and the second one pair of gloves. So if we minus it, the answer coming 0.40, or you can say 40 cent. So we can buy two bags of sweets because one bag of sweet equal 20 cent. So two bags of sweet equal 40 cent. You buy one of every item. How much did you spend? It's easy. This is the price for each item. So plus all of these, we can get 12.60. How much change do you have from $20? 20 minus 12.60. So the remaining is 7.40. Question number 8. How much change does each customer get? Customer 1 pay 50 cent. The item cost 70 cent. 50 minus 17, 33 cent. Customer 2 pay $1. The item cost 58 cent. So $1 minus 58. $1 minus 58 cent. It is equal 42 cent. Customer 3 pay $2. The item cost 1.28. Minus it. $2 minus 1.28. 1.28 cent we need to write here. Dollar right here. So the remaining 72 cent. Like this customer 4 pay $5. The item cost 3.45. You gave 2.65 change. It's wrong. Not possible. From $5, if you minus 3.45, it's remaining 1.55. So 2.65 wrong. So you should pay how much? 1.55. $1.55. You give 7.89 change. Customer 5 give you $10. You give how much change? 7.89. How much was the item? So 10 minus 7.89. The item was 2.11, 2.11 cent, $2.11. The item price was $2.11 because you give back you give to the customer 7.89 cent to the customer back. Question number 9. The pizza store has four different pizzas. This is the price and different pizza. Half a tomato and half of cheese. Pizza, how much was it cost? We make half for both. For tomato pizza, this is 1.22. The complete price 2.44. The half 1.22 plus cheese pizza 3.20. Make it half, and then right here, and then plus it. We can get the answer 2.82. 2.82. Next, half a mushroom and half a pepperoni. Pepperoni, how much was its cost? How much was its cost? First of all, what is the price of half mushroom? What is the price of mushroom? 2.36. 2.36. Make it half. How to make it half? Divided by 2. So it's coming 1.18. This is the price of half mushroom plus half pepperoni. 3.60. Make half 3.60. So what's coming? Divided by 2, 1.8. 1.8. So make it plus what's coming? 1.18 plus 1.8. So it's coming 2.98. $2.98. This is the price for these two pizza. Half. A whole cheese and a half a mushroom. How much will they cost? Whole cheese to 3.20 complete price for whole cheese pizza. Half of mushroom. Where is mushroom? The half of mushroom. What is the price for half of mushroom? 1.18 plus 3.20. 4.38. A tomato and cheese pizza and half a tomato pizza. First of all, this both complete price plus half a tomato pizza. So how much will they cost? The cost is 6.86. I also write here the price for a half. Okay, so it's easy for you when you're solving the exercise. The half of 236 or 2.36 equal 1.18. This is the price for half. This is the price for half. Okay, what about tomato? 1.22. 1.22. Again in dollar should we mention. What about this pepperoni? 3.60. So the half is 1.8. 1.8 should mention the dollar sign. And cheese 3.30. What is the point? I will write here. The half we need to make half. 3.20 1.6, 1.6. Okay, this all the price, half pizza, and this is for complete. So like this you can easily plus and solve it. Okay everyone, take care. The remaining questions solve and send it to me. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.